So behind the brand, Najah Chemist is a mother-daughter duo who creates bulk skincare products. What's that? Well, we have half of the business duo here with us this morning. Shalikia Martin is the marketing manager for Najah Chemist, and she will tell me, Wagwan. Good morning, welcome.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me. I'm so thrilled to be here, and my team at Najah Chemist, they're celebrating even now. We're so happy to be here.
No, sir, but you chat plenty already. I didn't even ask kind of question.
Well, there's so much that I want to share with you and the Jamaican family, and I'm just excited to get the information out there because I know we don't have a lot of time.
I love it. Go on.
So we started Najah Chemist during the pandemic when the unemployment rate skyrocketed, and we saw where many people were made redundant, and we wanted to create employment opportunities, and not only employment opportunities, but to create a market for those who are selling skincare products that are not well formulated, because many of them attend, and I quote, YouTube University, and they want to sell products. So we want them to be backed by a company that formulates well formulated products that is able to represent the Jamaican public accurately and to brand Jamaica effectively.
What kind of skincare products we're talking about here now?
Well, today we brought our best-selling turmeric kojic bars. They're doing well in the skincare industry right now, as well as our brightening body scrub, our standard body scrub, and our body butter. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to go through all of them today, but we wanted to bring as much as possible so you can get an idea of what we have to offer.
Turmeric one.
The turmeric one, that's what you want to start with? Yeah. Good choice. I know you always had taste, you know. So this is the turmeric kojic bar soap. We're going to, first off, we have to put on our gloves first. Oh, yes, you're in the cosmetic business now, you know, so you have to follow protocols.
She's the boss. She's the boss. She come bully me. Only if she knows say me run television and not she.
Of course, I know.
But she come to take over the show.
Not at all. Not at all. This is all you.
All right, and what I do now after I put on my glove?
Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate with this one, and you can go with the one below it.
Yeah,
we can go with that one.
Yeah, man, go.
So we're going to start by taking it out of the mold.
Take it out of the mold.
Yeah, sometimes it hardens and it's a bit difficult. Whoa, but yours come out easy.
Because I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, you have more years of experience in the cosmetic industry.
Than you.
So you're just going to carefully take it out.
Oh, I have to do that too?
Yeah, you don't want to dent the shape, you know, because we're selling to business owners and, you know, they want their products to look as good as possible when selling to their own customers. Perfect.
You know, rate me, you know?
Of course I rate you, man.
And then what now?
Okay, so then we're going to move on to the cutting phase.
The cutting phase?
Yes, and this is the soap cutter that we use.
Oh, that's a cutter. Move this out of the way. So you can see everything here? Tell me where you want me moving on, and I'll move it out, you know. You want me to move this, Soji? All right, we're good.
Okay, so we're going to put it here. And we have to get 10 equal 4-ounce bars.
10 equal 4-ounce bars. But don't do anything yet. How you get the turmeric like this? How you get it like this itself?
Well, I don't formulate the products. That's a common misunderstanding because, you know, I'm the one they see on the page.
Right.
I handle the marketing aspect of the business. Mommy. So my mother is the certified formulator behind Najah Chemist.
Okay, all right. This one you want to move. All right, we don't need the two of them.
Well, no.
All right, climb it, Ivy. All right, and we'll move this too. Do we need this?
Well, not right now.
Well, we'll catch it right just so. All right, now. Show me what to do now. Just bring this over.
Yeah, you bring this over, and we want to line it up because we want all of them to have 4 ounces because, you know, in the line of business, everybody watching everything, and they want to ensure that everything is consistent and standardized.
Plus, you must sell what you tell them you're going to sell.
Exactly. You tell them 4 ounces for the weight, you have to give them 4 ounces.
All right.
So by lining it up.
That good.
Yeah, so you can just go in and cut it now.
Just bring this down?
Yeah, you can just hold up here and then you just bring it down.
And just bring it down hard, soft?
Hard, man. Use force. Yes. Yes, perfect. So not all the bar soaps are this difficult to cut. This is my little piece, you know. This is what me and my family use.
For the what?
Yes, on our skincare routine.
So this can come up, sir?
Yes.
I like it. So this is a bar of soap?
This is a bar of 4-ounce soap, and you cut it, so, you know, I'm definitely going to be using this one because this one is extra special.
Made by Neville.
Yes, so made by Neville.
So what you do after that now? That's it?
No, so after that we go to this stage because we have to wrap the soaps. But after you cut them, you have to give them 6 weeks to dry.
6 weeks?
Yes, because if you don't give them enough time to dry, then by the time they come into contact with water, it just go and melt. And you know, people say they want to get a good month or over a month when they buy the product.
Dry it just by itself, or you ever put it in the sun, or you heat it? What you do?
You just dry it by itself.
So just leave it for 6 weeks, just sit down.
Just leave it to 6 weeks in a cool, dry area. You don't want it to be in the sun, and we live in the tropical climate, so you know you have to be very mindful of where exactly you put it.
So this is it?
This is it.
People, I wonder if you know, I me just make this a while ago. I me make it too. So what's your place name?
Najah Chemist.
Najah and Neville Chemist.
Najah and Neville Chemist, I love it.
I love it more because it's me make it. So 6 weeks. And
6 weeks, and after 6 weeks, we move on to this phase where we put it in this, and then we use the shrink wrapper to melt the plastic and harden it. So when our retailers purchase it now, they can just slap on their labels with their own logo. They can brand it however they want. By the time they're done branding it, we don't even remember that it was a Najah Chemist product.
Yeah, but hold on. When you say melt the plastic, what you mean by I don't understand.
Okay, so...
I mean, I understand what melt plastic mean, but I don't understand.
Okay, so let's just go ahead and put it in.
Use the small one, just.
The small one? Okay.
Yeah. So you just put it in like that?
You put it in like this, and then you turn on the shrink wrapper. We're going to put it on high, and then, wait, hold it for me. You want to, ensure that it's properly in the bag.
Yeah. And you go so?
No, well, normally these bigger soaps would take up more space.
Yeah.
But because we're just going to try it with this, and it's going to melt, you know, just melt and harden in place.
Okay.
Yes. So then they slap on their labels, and then they're good to go.
Okay, but it would be easier to take back off.
Well, they don't really take it off. If they don't want their shrink wrapper on it, they'll advise us not to wrap it.
No, hold on, man. Then when I go beard with this on it?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Easy to take it off. I thought you meant when it goes to the...
No, man. You're frightened now.
Oh, definitely.
With plastic. What else is in it? This is just straight turmeric or something?
Turmeric, kojic. Of course, you're going to need the other ingredients to combine.
Turmeric, what else?
Turmeric and kojic. Those are the main ingredients. Kojic acid.
Kojic.
Yeah, so kojic acid, you can find it in rice water, you can find it in fermented soy sauce, and you can also find it in, the name, it escapes me at the moment.
But acid good for your skin, though?
Yes, there you have AHAs and you have BHAs. There are different types of acid, right? Okay. And different skin types react differently. So salicylic acid, for example, it's a AHA, it's a BHA, and it's a chemical exfoliant. It works perfectly for my mother when it comes to acne. But for me, salicylic acid is a no-no. Glycolic acid is my thing.
You're brilliant. Question now. What other kinds of skin stuff you make apart from turmeric?
Well, we formulate skincare, men care, and feminine care products. For skincare, we have our best-selling turmeric kojic, we have body butters, we have body scrubs, we have face washes, we have turmeric cleanser. We have a long list of...
But you're not a retail, so you sell wholesale. We
sell bulk products. So for those who are interested in products for individual use, we refer them to our retailers. And if they're international clients and they want to support us directly, we refer them to our website.
Where can I find you?
You can find us at Najah Chemist on Instagram and TikTok.
Oh, fantastic. Me like it. By the way, where you going with my soap?
No, I don't want to give you the small one. You are going to get this 4-ounce one because you're Neville. We can't lay him up the thing. You're crazy.
Thank you. Hold on.
Well, let me give it. Yeah, easy.
Yeah, very simple.
You have more experience than I do.
Yeah, I do. Clive is not a man with beard regular, which is why I'm not going to give him one. But maybe if I give him one, he will start beard. Congrats. I like it.
Thank you so much.
I like it and good luck. You tell me where to find you already, there?
Yes. Yeah. Najah Chemist on Instagram and TikTok, or you can visit our website, www.najahchemist.com.
You know, she says she never talk plenty. She not stop chat from she come in. Shalika Martin, marketing manager for Najah Chemist. Say hi to your mom for us.
I will.
All right, coming up, we have a fun quiz for Garth. Finally. Didn't get to do something coming in nice. Respect.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me. It was a pleasure meeting.
It was great having you. I'm going to tell you, say I'm not nervous, but I didn't tell you that.
Yes, you did.
It's a good thing you're nervous because you're not stop chat when you come in here. You know?